Peep and the Too Windy Day.
This is my all-time favorite leaf, Peep. And this is mine.
Something about these reminds me of you. Don't know what it is.
Where's your favorite leaf, Quack?
Ah, glad you asked.
That's not a leaf.
No, but it's leaf-ish.
How is it leaf-ish?
Well, it comes from a tree just like a leaf, and it fell down from a tree just like a leaf. But you can eat it and wear it, which makes it better than a leaf. Ah!
Ah! No! The wind is taking our leaves!
Hey, come back!
Stop! Stop!
No, this wind is too windy!
From now on, I'm not letting this out of my sight. We lost our leaves. Yay!